From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of rugs that shed and lose their comfort over time? Because I definitely was, which is why I'm obsessed with the low-pile flat-woven area rug 8x10 from design&i. This game-changing rug has been a total lifesaver for my living room, and I'm not alone. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, raving about its quality and style. One of the things I love most about this rug is its luxuriously soft texture. It's like walking on clouds, and the best part, it's made with premium flat-woven material, so you'll never have to deal with annoying shedding. Plus, it's incredibly easy to set up, just unroll it and you're good to go, no complicated instructions or frustrating assembly required. But what really sets this rug apart is its ability to withstand high traffic areas. It's built to last, so you don't have to worry about it losing its comfort or look over time. It's like having a stylish foundation that works as hard as you do. And let's be real, accidents happen, especially if you have kids or pets, but this rug is machine washable, so you can just toss it in the washing machine and it'll be good as new. I've had my fair share of spills and messes, but this rug has handled them with ease. It's truly kid and pet friendly, making it perfect for families and pet lovers. Whether you're looking to elevate your living room, bedroom, or playroom, this rug is the perfect choice. It's comfortable, stylish, and easy to care for, so why settle for anything less? Upgrade to the low-pile flat-woven area rug 8x10 from design&i today and experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.